Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, you ever wonder what some of these young youth and young entertainers will try to associate themselves with the criminal element would have do if Reneto Adams did still up on the road? Them man they just want hear say you have a gun or a parried wanted man, and they will compare your personal visit in your hometown community. Now, me gonna hear what a senior member of law enforcement had to say to Sch00ls following the situation that took place and was videoed with him in golf. Let me continue what that will contain the reason. Look and listen.
Yeah, well, today I'm gonna ask me how I feel about the Sch00ls situation. Brother, I'm in a business about Sch00ls, you know. Telling you straight, you know. I'm in a business about Sch00ls. I hear me here, I big them up. And I say, I'm friend them. I'm same one say I'm friend them. You know what I mean? And what I'm to Sch00ls could I reach anybody. Yeah? Anybody, cause if you're friend, brother, you could have reached me. Anybody could have reached. I'm a Bex. I tell you straight. Bex, dog. If you see what go on. Matter of fact, mother Bex, if you see that reach any human being. Yeah? Worse off my own. My Bex youth, but we're not business. I tell you straight, Sch00ls, we're not business. Yeah, man, if you spread your bed hard, you lay down in the hard youth, you're power with gunman, anything possible for reach you. We could have hear say you're dead youth. Zane, could I hear say you're dead and that not good with we youth. You feel like that good with we? You feel like say that good with we? None at all. I pay violence youth. 1,000 odd murder since the year start. 1,000 odd murder country gone already. I'm glad them ain't kill your Sch00ls. Glad. You see what I say? And we are big, the golf man them. We are big on you. Just keep a peace, brother. We are big on you. Come like a bad man and respect for life again, you. We know it going on. We know people have to live. But we are big on you, youth. Hold it down. The man them will push your badness. Hold it down. Yeah? We will be more helpful with the resources, youth. I want to hungry people in our community, youth. Help them out, youth, with no strength and no power we have, youth. That's what I say. It's sad, youth. It's sad, man. I tell you. We don't love what happened to Sch00ls. Yeah, man. I know a whole heap of people agree with me, youth. Yeah, man, and we still not push no violence. We are cry peace, youth. We don't allow the artists. But I pray the man, youth. A sound I'm going to do every artist, youth. A sound I'm going to do everybody. I mean, too much illegal guns there on the street. But they come like saying, man, them not a choice, youth. But for roll with something. Because if you want a friend, we turn on a trick you and rob you. And kill you too. And I feel like
This is the very truth. Some of these younger generation of youth and these younger generation of entertainers are play with fire and not really know. Some of them will have to preserve their reputation in the dancehall space, or to just follow something where them did always imagine or wanted to be growing up. Seeing that now them have affluence, them have celebrity status and money coming in. Enough have decided that them are going to invest or engage in a crime, a life of crime and violence rather. It not going to work out. Whether we are talking about locally or internationally, it has never worked out. From the days of Tupac, and some would say even numerous entertainers before him. Sometimes artists need to acknowledge the fact that they have been blessed to escape a certain type of situation where it take place in the inner city. And if they return to the inner city, it must only be to help out the community, not for contribute to the community's struggles. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now, with teachers already short and Jamaica going into a new school term, a study has been conducted by the National Council of Drug Abuse And they are stating that vaping, edibles, and Molly are now among the top 3 substances being used by the Jamaican youth. Now they are stating that the study that was conducted was for the ages or the grades of 8 to 10. This should be very alarming for parents, as the study has pointed out that prior to Big C19, the study found that alcohol, tobacco, and cannabis were the most popular substances among the youth. And think about it as a parent. Sometimes you can see the signs when the alcohol. You can either spend it on them breath or things of that nature. Same with tobacco and the herb. All of these things have certain telltale signs that Jamaican parents will be used to and would can see the sign and know, say, all right, that a go on. When the youth them know I consume the herb in the form of edibles, it a go hard for you pick up these things in a candy farm, cookie, cakes. You hear the name, edibles. Most parents now can catch on. They might just feel like it's another snack. Then vaping, which even by parents is sometimes seen as harmless and fun. And of course, the Molly, that has already been popularized through music. I will now go just say through dancehall music. Because people can make it look like, say, all right, the strong influence is coming from just dancehall music. No. People are hearing about this substance through hip-hop, R&B, pop, you name it, they must see it on them TV. It is the availability of the substance will make its use arise. And not because, just because our entertainers sing about it. No, they're stating that typically Jamaica doesn't have a pill popping culture, nor an injection drug use culture. But truth be told, I'm going to state this. Jamaica has always been heavily influenced by North America and other first world countries. And sometimes it's just the availability of these things make people never get involved with it. Now, along with the study of the abuse of these substances, the study also found that the youth are suffering from issues of anxiety, depression, self-harm, and other serious issues. And that's true. In a third world country, or most third world countries, what we find is that even from the age of a youth, you start to have adult world situations. And this take place in various forms. That's why them can tell us also you have young youth get involved with criminal activity. Deep in a criminal activity. Both boy and girl. And I can also state this. I bet Jamaica is starting at the home. Them say you dance a yard before you dance abroad. If you go ensure or create a better community, it will start, of course, from individuals, but then from the home and then outwards to the community. So we know the situation, whether it be single parents or even both parents. The fact that you have to go out there, make this money while raising a youth, it's difficult. We have to also realize that is the task. And you can't leave it up to TV, music, and the educational institutions for raise the youth. Because as we can see, it will create major problems. You talk to me. Comment section open 24/7. If you're new to the channel, just pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and of course made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section is open 24/7. It never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.